Good morning, everyone. I'm so excited. Look at this. I can't even explain how excited I am because diamond painted arrived from one of the favorite stores that I have now on my list. So I just want to show you the packing. It was wrapped in a black bag, wrapped so tight with the sticky tape, and then under that we have this beautiful lawn air bubbles to protect your stuff on the inside, and then on the inside more protection with the canvas on the inside of the foam roll, which is wonderful. And that is my lovely friends painting, diamond painting from Sunature diamond painting store. Links will be under my video in the description box. So it's discount code. And why I am so excited about this, because this is the very first store that own diamond painting. Hold on, let me put this behind the camera. That has a diamond painting in full diamonds of fairy dust diamonds. I never saw any store that have absolutely all colors in fairy dust, and I know how much you enjoyed watching me diamond paint whip and chat together with you. You loved it, I loved it. I'm still working on that design because it's a big one design, and with square diamonds you can really go too fast, but I'm working on it. So I cannot wait, you know. I run to get another one. They are working now in full blast after festival they have, because their festival was like quite a bit for almost a month. I don't know, 3 weeks. It was a long time. So we have a squishy grippy for the pan, one placer, and we have, oh, I have to push, okay, I'm not gonna fight right now, and 3 placer. But this is the one, the clear one. I like better when they have those like a matte color, and they usually 4 placer. So this one is not my favorite, but one placer, yeah, but I'm using the other pen usually. This tweezers do nothing to me really. What is good in here, it's only the tray, I would say. Yeah, pen, this stuff, but wax also. Now I like to use, which is wax work well with this kind of diamonds. It's with the AB diamonds. I like to use my electric pen because the wax doesn't stick to them. So that's a good one. All right, so tools, better than could be another ones. And I have beautiful velvet canvas. We will see diamonds a little bit later, which is actually, I have to open to get a picture from here. Oh, how much I love these diamonds. Okay, sorry, it's squeaky. Okay, let's see what we have in here. So I decided to create kind of like a beauty. So when I will organize my beauty room better, this could be on a wall. I can try to do makeup like she has, or a hairdo, to have some fun on my other YouTube channel that I didn't upload video for a very long time. Nataliyaxo, that's another channel, got a little bit abandoned, but I will get back to it. So this one design 60 by 60 centimeters, and have, yeah, 50 colors. 50 colors of gorgeousness. Look at this. Slowly we can run to show you the symbols. Some symbols kind of cute. Look at that. Oh, what is that? Car, what is this? I don't know what kind of symbol that is. It's like a Pokemon. No, not Pokemon. Like glow leaf, telephone, airplane, anchor. There's some interesting symbols, could be. Okay, so 50 of them. Now let's see the quality of the canvas, because look at that, looks so perfect. They do have a very nice packing. I like how they, because the diamond painting was delivered and put on a deck by my front door, and we have a snowfall. So it was sitting in the snow, but because it was packed so nice, so I didn't have any damage. So that's good. Packing very well. And we have this little even elastic band to hold it together. 3 of them. And then look at this canvas, nicely scallop cut to hold edges not to fray. Looking really nice and neat. Here's our symbols in here. Symbol wise, just to show you right now, the clarity is amazing all the way. No darker spot, without reflection. I have to show you without reflection. No, symbols, good clarity, very good clarity. Okay, and I believe I already measured for you last time that it is 60 by 60 design. I believe it was just like printed area, so you get more for your money. Hold on, I have to move a little bit more further away because it's bigger than I thought. Oh, look how beautiful. Look at this beauty. She is so pretty. Yeah, it's a big foam, protecting good. Plus you can reuse this one, or after you're done you can roll it back if you don't frame, or like I said before, for the Easter time you can put this together, tie it up, wrap around in a ribbon, put some decorative pieces to make a, even like to put candle inside, put another door as a spring decoration. So this piece is really useful, or roll your cross stitch after you're done. So this is really good stuff. I never throw them away, and I have them in different sizes, different thickness, so at some point I'm using them. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Clarity is so good. The only thing is kind of strange because the edges are so tiny. It's like centimeter, maybe centimeter and a half, a little bit bigger on the bottom in here, but because of the scallops it's not gonna fray. And if you frame, obviously you don't need these edges, but this one side and the top is a little bit bigger size. Yeah, that's their website in here, Sunature diamondart.com. On the bottom in here we have their Facebook group. Okay, and 50 colors. I don't think I saw them, I can't remember, I don't think I saw them on a Instagram or TikTok. I have to check them out. So far I know they have a YouTube Facebook group, but look at this design. Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she lovely? Isn't she lovely? I love her hair. It's kind of like a European style to me. She definitely European girl created for diamond painting. So that is beautiful. That is beautiful. So this is square diamonds. It will be such a beautiful decorative piece for any beauty room, for any young teenage lady to decorate her room. A beautiful present, especially when you have this kind of diamonds. OMG. So I don't even know, literally. You know what, I am going to show you a few of the colors, because all the colors you kind of can see shades like this, but just to see the sparkles you literally have to kind of work with them to see. Look at those beautiful shades, colors in here. I'm just going to put on a tray a few of the colors that may be unique that we did not see last time. Let's check it out. Some of the colors. What kind of colors you would like to see? There's some interesting pink. This one pink like a raspberry. Let's check this one to get some shine. They are so shiny. Oh, that's very static. I usually blow air in it and shake, and the static is gone. That's an easy way to get rid of. Okay. Beautiful. They are so shiny, so beautiful. Maybe I have to zoom close to the tray so less shadow. Come on, focus. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? The shine is so amazing. Oh, you should see how beautiful they look when sunshine hit, when I working by my window. It is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's get some. Would you like to see a few more colors? You know what? I'm sure probably all of these colors we already have in my other design that I'm working on. Oh, there's such a beautiful shading. Like the colors, it's just, if I can just like that. How can I show you? But I have a better way to show you. Wait a minute, I have a trick, okay? Hold on. Because most of these colors, I'm sure I already have in my whip that I'm working on. I just have to pull it out and show you how much I done, because I was working on a little bit. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I have a surprise for you here. Let me just get it. It's right in here. It's right in here, my friends. Right in here, so you can see how beautiful that is. And that's exactly same size. Oh, let me zoom out more. Exactly same size as the other one. And I'm using this one to hold it. My little creature in here holding my sticky tape. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. And OMG, OMG. These diamonds placements, if you never have these diamonds before, look at the placements. How nice they click with each other. No gaps, no pushing each other. They just perfect. And they are very, very shiny. They are so shiny. Look at this, all these colors, lots of shades up there that you can see them all in here in the open. Instead of me putting on a tray, you can explore them all in here. How about, oh, look at that shining. Look how beautiful. Well, yeah, I have a few of the missing diamonds. Obviously, I did not finish all in full coverage, but you can see how gorgeous shading up there. Amazing. And this is one of the lady that was sold out before like New Year. It was sold out in this particular diamonds. You could have like with the AB diamonds in certain amount of colors. And let me show you, that's the one, that another one, gorgeous, gorgeous butterfly. Here's her wings in here. She has a butterfly. I already started working, all kind of like a halfway butterfly done. Look, oh, it so look good on camera. So yeah, this is the one that's going to be finished first. and I am going to work on it maybe even tonight a little bit, just to get a little bit more done. I cannot wait to get to her face, so I have to still work kind of here to get her hands done. And I love it. I enjoy it. I'm working by my with the 2-placer or 1-placer, and it's just clicking. It just goes so perfect, so perfect. I don't even know if camera picking all the beautiness of the shine. Depends on the angle. They are absolutely gorgeous. So yes, I highly recommend that you go and get at least one canvas with these diamonds. And I think, yeah, I love ladies, and they have so many beautiful designs up there that literally when you go to the store you don't know where to start, because it's so many beautiful designs up there. And obviously I like faces, I like ladies, I like the fairy tale stuff, and this one is just a very romantic with the orchid flowers. Her face in here so pretty, you can see those lashes. I love it. So yes, lots of beautiful colors. I'm so happy. Highly recommend you go get it, because the quality is here. And use my link to save some money, and happy shopping. I'm so impressed with their quality of the canvases. And if you miss my other unboxing up there, I have so this is my 3rd unboxing. The other one design I have with the AB diamonds. Check it out. I will link it up them all to end screen of this video, or also as a card, so you can see it if you miss my video. Maybe you are new on my channel, but she is gorgeous. And obviously to see the good picture, it's in here, or I would highly recommend to click on the link and see the beautiful picture on the website. She is stunning, and there's so many up there. Have like a kid's design, like a dark side, or you know, or funny or cute. For everybody can find something that you would like. All right, thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow.